Hey guys. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is a special day because it's the total solar eclipse. Glasses that you wear so that you don't get blind by the sun, because if you do, then you're gonna wow. And then my dad cut this out because it's for the camera. Wow. We only have 3 glasses because my mom and my older sister got one because they're gonna watch it too wherever they are. So yeah.
So what time starts here?
2:30?
Oh no!
3.
Yeah, and now it's about 2:05 guys. So
until 4.
Until 4. So
think.
our place is one of the path of this total solar eclipse.
Wow!
Here in Ontario, Hamilton. So we're gonna go out now and see, and hoping for the sun will come out because it looks like gloomy. And then, yeah, there we go. There's some short of video clips and show to you what's happening, if this place or if this world we're gonna be darkens later.
Yeah.
So, Jessica, what do you think?
I'm scared, but
Yeah?
yeah. But I'm kind of excited because I've never seen one. So yeah.
Alright.
See
you later.
See you guys later. Bye. So guys, we're going to Lime Ridge now to watch it. And I'm
TV McCain Park.
Yes, that.
Okay.
Something park. Yes. See you guys there.
Where are we going?
Lime Ridge.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Lime Ridge?
Yes. Where are we going?
To the crowd.
Oh no!
I'm gonna show it to you guys. Unsa kadaghan ng mga tao diri. Tigid as in Daghang siya. Like watching spot area lang siya.
Oh no!
It's so close.
Guys, nataron sa Lime Ridge Mall parking lot, which is one of the best spot and visible ang sun. Thanks God, ang sun igawa siya.
Wow!
Jessica,
I see the kids playing.
Here.
Look at here, guys. A lot of people, eh?
Oh no!
It's for Tinos, guys. There's a free tea, guys. Go, ask.
No, you ask.
Huh?
I don't want any, so.
Yeah, you don't want? Go line up. Line up. Have a tea, guys. David's tea. You like it? Like it, eh?
Liar, I can't see it.
Wow, hindi mo gawas, guys. Almost na, guys.
Don't look at it. You said no.
Here you go, guys. It's partial now, guys. Woo! Oh yes! Woohoo! Yeah! Thanks God, finally! Pops out now, guys.
Where is it?
Uh-oh.
Is it?
Clouds covering up. No, it's gone. It's showing up and
Wow!
almost there for solar eclipse. See how he dribbles, guys, and then after that glance to the solar eclipse.
Is it here yet? No.
Oh no!
I know. We can sit here. The pillow. Sit here.
Kamu kon sa mong phone good. Picture ta ko nimo. Ata kasi mong phone.
It's low bar.
Para mapicturean ko nimo. Around the right spot, guys. Almost there. Time check, guys. It's 3 o'clock. 3:02. So by 3:18, Jessica,
Yes.
the total solar eclipse will appear.
Wow!
So sooner this place is gonna be get darkened. Oh, see that? akong kwaon.
My teacher said it'd be at 3:06.
See? Nothing, right? So keep it like that. Almost there, guys.
My principal said it'd be at 3:06.
No, they're not accurate, guy. You have to look at the actual situation. Ito nga naon, kita siya, ganaon. Wala.
It's almost there.
Just attach the solar eclipse glasses, guys. Now you can see it visibly.
Wow!
It's almost there.
Hapit na. Hapit na, guys. Hapit na matotal. What? 5% na lang siguro. Ha? Kay?
Awan, gabi na.
Not really.
Yeah, kwali mo ko. Awan, gabi na. Na.
Not really. It's still sunny. Only a little bit.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
It's so Look, it's so bright outside.
Gabi na eh.
What time na?
Look, so I think it's like 3.
15 minutes na lang.
Oh no!
Kuan man to 3 unsa tawag kuan na?
3. Oh my, wow.
You see it?
Oh no!
It's getting darker.
There you go. Almost there.
It's still so bright.
Almost there, guys. No.
Clouds.
Almost there, guys.
Don't
Sapit na yun,
be
guys.
fooled.
Hapit na, guys.
No, like probably like 2%.
Oh, naraw. Dako mo na eh. It's night time, guys. And for the record, guys, April 8, 2024.
Oh no!
Hamilton, Ontario. We're one of the spot where the eclipse passed through. So we're just lucky. And Jessica witnessing her first total solar eclipse. Okay. Getting there, guys. Getting there. It's getting there. We're getting at night now for a few moments. It's right there. It feels cold at the same time, guys. I told you. Told you. Right there, guys. Almost there. What? Yeah. Almost there. There you go.
What do you mean, there you go?
That's it.
Done.
You see people yelling, shouting, screaming. Oh, I think they're shouting because we're the total eclipse. We're the total eclipse happening. That was the time, guys. There you go, guys. It's exactly. It's getting dark now, guys. At 3. Oh no! 3:18.
Wow!
In the afternoon.
Yes.
I think it's done, guys. Recovering by the clouds, at least. We see some short moment of
See some orange.
this total solar eclipse. It's right there, guys.
It's going back. It's going back.
It's going back, right?
Oh no!
20 minutos na ng Milabay. Yan.
A few moments later.
Hinay naglakaw, panghipos ang mga tao.
You know about we still have a new space race now, and you know, this program.
Wow!
That's good. Yes. Relation, particularly besides friends.
Just try this one, guys.
Relation, Artemis is relation.
Yes.
To Apollo besides friends. She was a sister. Because they're trying to emphasize a bit, you know, to get female astronauts this time, because there was, I guess there was some candidates for the Apollo, but you don't need
Have a try, sir.
to include a woman or whatever with, you know, any astronauts landing the moon.
Is it done, right?
Yeah, yes, that's
Oh,
correct.
wow.
I did, I was at a meeting in
Yeah,
Toronto.
very
before.
clear, eh?
I heard the Canadian astronaut Jeremy Hansen
That's the
speaking first.
That's the actual one, the white one?
Yes,
Is the sun?
Yes, that's the sun. Hosted by, you know, Bill Nye with planetary design.
That's the filter.
That's how you see the sun. The UV blocks it so much.
For the space launch system that was on the launch pad at Canadian rocket there. They each have about 3.2 million pounds of thrust. And the main one has about 2.2 million.
Gonna give a try with this one, guys. Skywatcher.
Thank you very much. You're welcome. And have this new space station then.
Just wanna see, compare with this one.
Same thing, but bigger.
Oh, okay, yeah, it's very clear here. It's bigger.
It's a little more zoomed in.
Yeah, it's a little more zoom in.
You know what part of
It looks exactly the same, it's just
that
bigger.
orbit
that's down
allows them to
Thank
get
you.
to easier. You know, there's not, the Apollo mission couldn't have gone, they could only go closer to the equator of the moon. You know what, why they have this different orbit, if they want to put the space, it can let them be more resistant around the poles.
So what's up, Jessica?
So guys, that was it of the total giant eclipse. It was really nice because it's my first time seeing it, and I thought it was really pretty too. And I hope you guys saw it too, because if you didn't, then that's sad. But
Gonna go now, Kai?
yes,
Gonna go at where? Yes? So that was it, guys. For today's solar total eclipse.
yes.
April 8, 2024, around 3:18 p.m. 3:18 p.m. in the afternoon. Okay, thanks God, all successful.
Yep.
And then see you on the next vlog.
See you in the next vlog. Bye.
Bye.